Hello student, today we are start a new unit steroid and hormone. First we tell about the steroid. The steroid are the biomolecule insoluble in H2O extracted from cell by organic solvent called as the steroid. Second point, the steroid are the member of large class of organic compound occurring widely distributed in animal and plant. Then third point, in steroid 1,2-cyclopentano per hydrophenanthrin nucleus in their structure, which may be partially reduced or otherwise modified. Then fourth point, the steroid include a wide variety of naturally occurring and synthetic substance such as sterol, including vitamin D, bile acid, adrenal cortical and sex hormone. An interesting point to note is that all the steroid, when dehydrogenated with selenium at 360 degrees Celsius, yields among other compound Diels hydrocarbon, means 3-methyl-1,2-cyclopentano-phenanthrin, whereas at 420 degree Celsius the chirosine in the main product with some pysine. In last point say, when steroid are undergo the 360 when steroid are react with selenium in the presence of temperature 360, it gives Diels hydrocarbon, and in the presence of temperature 460, it gives the chirosine or some is the pysine. These are the four steroid. The next point is the Diels hydrocarbon. On a selenium, the dehydrogenation at 360 degree, all the steroid yield among other product Diels hydrocarbon. Second, it is a solid having melting point is 126 to 127 degree Celsius. Then third point, oxidation reaction, X-ray crystal analysis and absorption spectrum measurement shows that the Diels hydrocarbon is the 3-methyl-1,2-cyclopentano-phenanthrin. Finally, the structure of Diels hydrocarbon third has been established by its synthesis given by the Harper, Kohn and Ruzicka in 1934, who employ Borgert-Cook method. The starting compound for the synthesis are 2,1-naphthyl ethyl magnesium bromide is the first compound and 2,5-dimethyl cyclopentanone is the second. Synthesis of Diels hydrocarbon, the starting material is the first 2,1-naphthyl ethyl magnesium bromide is react with 2,5-dimethyl cyclopentanone. So the compound second, this is the first, is react with each other. Then MgBr is removed, hydrogen is moved on the oxygen and formation of OH and for this compound. Then this compound is distilled under reduce the pressure, then OH is removed and formation of double bond. Then in next step, this bond is converted into this and formation of new bond in this 2 carbon atom and formation of this compound. This compound is treated with in the presence of selenium, then formation of the Diels hydrocarbon, means the 3-methyl-1,2-cyclopentano-phenanthrin. These 3 benzene ring are present and this is the phenanthrin ring. It is also called as the phenanthrin nucleus. Then stereochemistry of steroid. In order to study the stereochemistry of steroid, we will take the case of sterol, as there are 8 dissimilar chiral center in the nucleus of the saturated sterol: 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14 and 17 number of carbon atoms. The number of possible optical isomer will be 2 to the power 8 or 256. If the chiral center of the side chain is 20, is also include the number of possible optical isomer will become 29 or 512 isomer. This is the stereochemistry of steroid compound. This is the phenanthrene nucleus A, B, C. This is the phenanthrene nucleus. This is the side chain of the steroid, and this is the 8 chiral center: 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14 and 17. The number of possible isomer is 256, and if 20 number of chiral center, side chain of chiral center is also included, the possible optical isomer is 512. This is the stereochemistry of steroid. Then our first steroid is the progesterone. The progesterone is the most important member of this group, means the gestagen or the corpus luteum hormone. Second, this hormone is mainly secreted by the corpus luteum part of the ovary and is metabolized to various inactive products, mainly pregandiol. Then third point is these metabolic products are secreted with the urine. Then fourth point is, in 1932 occurred crystalline material that had physiological activity was isolated. In 1934 the isolation of the pure progesterone hormone progesterone was announced independently by the laboratories. Then occurrence of progesterone. Progesterone has been isolated from the corpus luteum, the adrenal cortex, the placenta and the testes. During the period of full corpus luteum activity, the human ovary produce about 1000 mg of the progesterone daily. This is the occurrence of progesterone. Then next, this is the structure of progesterone. Progesterone contains 2 ketonic group, 1 double bond. This double bond is present in the carbon number of C4 and C5, and this is the phenanthrene ring or the phenanthrene nucleus. Then constitution of progesterone. The molecular formula is C21H30O2. It shows the presence of 2 ketonic group as it forms the dioxide. Then third point is on a catalytic reduction, it takes up 3 molecules of hydrogen forming the diol, the C21H36O2, showing thereby the presence of 1 double bond, because 2 hydrogen molecules are utilized in the formation of 2 alcoholic group. Then next point, thus the parent hydrocarbon of progesterone is C21H36, which correspond to the general formula is CnH2n6 for the tetracyclic compound. The X-ray analysis show the presence of steroid nucleus, which is further confirmed by its synthesis from cholesterol and the sigmasterol. Then 6th point is, the hormone is very sensitive to alkali, indicating the presence of alpha beta unsaturated ketonic group. It is also confirmed by its absorption spectrum, the lambda max 240 nanometer, This suggests that the position of double bond is C4 and C5. Then last point is progesterone undergo the haloform reaction, forms the haloform with halogen and NaOH. We show the presence of COCH3 group in the hormone. Then next point is the synthesis of progesterone for the preganediol. This synthesis is due to the Bunenden in 1934. This is the structure of preganediol is on the oxidation. It gives these two alcohol group is oxidized and formation of the ketone group and form the preganediol. Then this diol is undergo the bromination. Then Br group attached to this C4 carbon atom and C5 carbon atom. C. Then again in the reduction with and HBr is removed. This HBr is removed and formation of double bond and from the progesterone and formation of the progesterone. This double bond is the alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone and form the progesterone. This is the synthesis of progesterone from prenediol. Then again second synthesis of progesterone and progesterone from the cholesterol. This is the structure of cholesterol is react with the acetylation or acetic anhydride. It gives this alcohol group is converted into the acetyl group and then again the bromination and Br is attached to this carbon atom C5 and C6. Then in next step the oxidation. In oxidation this side chain is break and formation of the ketone and then again in the presence of zinc, in the presence of acetic acid, then Br is removed with Zn and formation of double bond. It gives the name of this compound is dihydrophenandrosterone acetate. Then again this compound is reacted with hydrogen cyanide. Then cyanide group is attached to this and hydrogen is removed on the oxygen. Then in next step this compound is treated with POCl3 and remove the H2O. This H and OH is remove the H2O and formation of double bond. This H2O is removed and formation of double bond. Then again this compound is treated with the CH3 MgBr, that is Grignard reagent. Then C, only this pyridine molecule is C triple bond and then first MgBr, C double bond N MgBr and CH3. First take. Then next in the hydrolysis. and form the MgBr and N is removed. and from the ketonic group. In next step, the reduction. This hydrogen and this hydrogen is remove the H2 molecule and break the double bond. In next, the hydrolysis, then acidic group is the deacetylate and formation of the OH group. Then again the oxidation and formation of pregenalone, and this compound is again the oxidation. It gives alcohol molecule is converted into the ketonic group, and this double bond is shift to this carbon atom and formation of alpha beta unsaturated ketone and from the progesterone. This is the structure of progesterone. This is the one double bond is present, one ketonic group is present, and COCH3 group is present. This is the compound of progesterone, and this is all about the synthesis of progesterone from cholesterol.